The project that I have made is called as an Arduino proximity alarm, and the function of this system is basically that it is designed to detect as well as alert the users of the nearby objects. Now, the components that this system is made up of include the breadboard as well as the ultrasonic distance sensor, a buzzer, an LED display, a resistor that is along with the LED that is connected along with the LED display. Then we have the jumper wires and the microcontroller, which is the Arduino Uno in this case. The way the system works is that the ultrasonic sensor calculates the distances of the objects, and any object that is present within its safety range, that is 5 centimeter in this project, it basically triggers the visual as well as the audible alarm, which means that the buzzer as well as the LED display turns on. Now I am going to place the object outside the safety range of the ultrasonic sensor, and I am going to bring it close, that is within the safety range, so the buzzer as well as the LED display turns on.